Okay, so number 2, they say determine the value of k for which the equation of the tangent to f of x is equals to 3x squared plus kx plus 4, which is this one, at point 2 and y. This is where the tangent is happening, at point 2 and y. And then the equation of the tangent is this one. So here they are not asking us the equation of the tangent. In fact, they are giving us the equation of the tangent, and then they are giving us the point where the tangent is happening, though they are not giving us the y value, but we know how to calculate the y value. We can use either of these two. I wouldn't use this one because this one is incomplete. I will use this one to get my y. So they want the value of k. What do we know? We know that the f of prime x is equals to 6x plus k. From here is what is the equation of the gradient. So I will do the f of prime x and then substitute my x as the x value where the tangent is happening to get my gradient. So from here I could say, in fact, I already know from my equation of the tangent that the gradient is supposed to be 8, and I also know the x value where the tangent is happening. So if maybe I was just given the full equation and the point, and then they're asking me the equation of the tangent, I will take the 2, substitute it here to get what? The gradient. But in this case, I already have the gradient and I don't have the complete equation for my f of x. So it means I could say, okay, I know that if I substitute my 2, which is the x value where the tangent is happening, I substitute it on f of prime x plus k, I should get what? I should get my m, which my m in this case is 8. So I will equate this to 8, and then that's where I will actually get my k. So this will be 12 plus k is equals to 8, and then I can say k is equals to 8 minus 12, which is -4. So make sure you really understand the concept of the gradient first principle, that first derivative, that is the gradient, because it's not like they will always ask you to calculate the equation of the gradient. They can mix it anyhow. For example, here they didn't ask us to calculate the equation of the tangent. Instead, they give us the equation of the tangent, the incomplete function f of x, and then they give us the point. Then here, if maybe they wanted the point where the gradient is happening, they gave us 2, and then they want y. You can use this one to get your y. Y will be 8, and then 2 minus 8. This will be 16 minus 8, which is 8. I just added this question. It was not asked, but I'm just saying, if they had to ask you give the coordinate where the tangent is happening, they only gave us the x, and then this is how you will get your y. You can even get the y from the original. You can check it yourself. If you take the k now back here and then substitute the 2, you should get the same answer as 8, because geometrically this will look something like this. This is an increasing parabola. It will look something like that, and then the tangent will be here maybe, and then this point here is the 2 and the y. So since they are sharing this point, if you use any of the formula, which is the f or the tangent, you should get the same y value.